Ang lahat ng ito, siyempre, nung nakilala natin ang company mismo, the ZK Summit as a company, and more importantly, who the people behind the company are. Diba? Siguro sa pagkakaalam ninyo at sa mga ibang hindi pa nakakaalam, nagsimula sila sometime during the pandemic. And I found out about this company also around the same time. When we were looking for some, some things, appliances, things that we can add to our home that can make life easier and more comfortable. So ganun sila ka-aggressive magmula noon to reach out to customers like us at magbigay ng mga magandang deals, di ba? And I have experienced a couple of those products before. At magmula noon, talagang yung relationship namin with them really stayed until up to this day. So I guess really it is that, in a way, personal relationship with a company that is very, very important for us to establish the trust. Kasi doon mag-uumpisa yun sa tiwala. And hindi lang sa akin ito, I am sure that this experience is shared by many of my colleagues, kagaya ni Joros, kagaya ni Rocco, actually nauna pa nga si Rocco magsabi sa akin yung sa AI-powered gym. Siya pa una nagsabi, "Tok, kakita mo na ba yung bago ano?" O nga no, tapos 2 days after, sabay na ako ko si Eunice. But anyway, that's for a different topic. But meaning, ganun lang talaga sila ka-engaged at active, di ba, sa pagbibigay ng mga ganyan. And so, dumating itong product na to. And as a father, like what I said initially, mahalagang isipin namin ang preparedness of our home. Not just preparedness pagdating sa mga natural disasters, but also preparedness pagdating sa mga bagay na alam nating magdi-disrupt sa ating tahanan. And at the same time also, malaking bagay din as the head of the family to think of ways on how to make everything more efficient. How to think of ways on how to make things easy for the household. How to make things reliable, and most importantly, how to make things future-proof. Diba? So, siyempre, in the advent of AI and smart technology, dito pumapasok yung pagka-unique nitong product na ito dahil nakita at naintindihan ko how it is so easy to use. It is all-in-one, it is a plug-and-play thing later, which we will talk more about. And just, I think, perfect lang talaga, especially for our lifestyle and for our household. And hopefully, ganun din para sa lahat ng mga potential na mga Filipino households and Filipino families who may eventually need the product. So, nandun talaga yung tiwala. And para sa akin, dito ako nagtiwala sa Marstech. At excited pa ako sa mas marami pang pwedeng gawin ito, hindi lang sa amin, kung hindi sa iba pang produkto siguro down the line later. But let's begin with this. And we mentioned a while ago the Venus E. At kanina, yung ginamit po natin kanina, nung plinag, yan po yung model ng Venus E. Ito po talaga ang ating hero product. And if later on, we will really talk more about it. Ang Venus E talaga, ang pinaka talagang po pwedeng gamitin. Mas revolutionary talaga. Ito yung tinatawag na plug and play natin. That everything you can already see in one app na mamonitor mo lahat, na magiging madali para sa lahat ng gumagamit nito. So, yeah, I hope I answered your question.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Ana. May we now